Chapter 1. The Basics. What is Zendesk Support? Zendesk Support, at its core, is a help desk system. It takes questions from your customers from any channel and pulls them all into one place where you can organize and manage them and ultimately solve problems. Zendesk Support is simple enough that you can get up and running right away, but it also contains literally hundreds of advanced features that you can put to use whenever you're ready. Maybe you're ready right now. Support is quite powerful, but it's also flexible. It can scale with your business as you grow, from replacing a shared email account if you're just getting started, to alleviating problems with complexity and siloed communications for larger companies. Regardless of how you use it, success comes from the same basic approach. Provide seamless, personalized support. With features like ticket forms to collect information up front, and the ability to see which articles your customers searched for before and after submitting a ticket, you'll know who your customers are and what they need. Give your agents a single dynamic interface with everything they need, so it's easy to be more productive and manage customer interactions. And we've heard that agents love it, so just saying. Give your customers faster support on their preferred channels. With features like predefined ticket responses and our web widget, you can be in the right place at the right time. Tailor your experience with apps and integrations. Zendesk is the best-in-breed system for communicating with customers, but you can also customize and extend it to fit your specific business needs. And finally, work smarter, not harder, with powerful data analytics and survey tools that let you measure the impact of your work, understand customer sentiment, and leverage those insights to make better business decisions. If you do it right, you'll be happier, your agents will be happier, and most importantly, your customers will be happier. In fact, companies who use Zendesk Support achieve a 95% customer satisfaction score on average, which is pretty good. In the next episode, we'll look at how you can be everywhere at once. Spoiler alert, you're gonna need Zendesk.